it has come to my attention that I might be doing the Gibraltar bun incorrectly. I don't know if I just followed the tutorial incorrectly or if the tutorial itself was wrong about the Gibraltar bun, but very kindly there was a comment on there explaining another way to do it or the way to do it, or I don't know, but I'm going to give a try the instructions that that were left in that comment and see what happens. So what they said to do was cinnamon bun, and then the inner coil pulled out over the rest, and a hair stick through. Whew, and this was described as solid as a rock, which is very correct to that experience, to this one. Okay, so I think I got the center coil there. Let me try it one more time to make sure. Cool. Bun. Get in the end a little bit. Get in there with the coils. In with the stick and out. This time I think I have a little more cinnamon sticking out on the ends. So that is possibly the correct Gibraltar bun. But I think I'll leave the other video up because it is its own bun, whatever it is, and could still be useful. So hopefully I got that right. Definitely leave a comment if you notice anything incorrect on any of my videos or something that looks different from how you've heard, because I want to capture all of the styles and I want to capture them correctly, obviously. Thank you.